So right now we're going to talk about content. We're going to talk about creating and editing content. And you need content in terms of if you want to run a blog on your website. So this is the session where you can easily blog whatever you want to blog, your opinions, your expertise, and anything you want to blog about using WordPress. So right here we're going to try and create content. So I'm going to create a content about myself in the post session. So post is where you create content. Once you come to the post menu of your WordPress dashboard, you will be able to create content. You'll be able to create a new post. You'll be able to edit post. So to create a new post, you just need to add new. Once you click on add new, it's going to take you to the dashboard where you are going to create post, and it has a lot of features. Just like Microsoft Word, you can bold your text, you can insert images, you can do a lot of things, you add title, and you can do a lot of things. Let me take you to the content I'm going to create. I have a biography of myself right here, so I'm going to use this biography to create a new post. And you too, you also create a biography of yourself at the end of this session, this part of the course. You are going to create it on the WordPress we created online, the free WordPress we created online, that wordpress.com we created online. But right now, let me show you how to create posts. So now let's say I want to talk about me, or let's say biography will be the title, biography. And we are going to put this colon, we are going to put beloved Adejuyigbe. Now we have this as the biography, that's the title. You can easily publish right there once you are done with whatever you are doing, but we are not done yet, and we're going to paste what I copied earlier on. We're going to paste it right here. So once I paste it, it's going to be pasted this way, and you can do a lot of editing. You can decide to bold this. You just highlight this and bold it. Then you have the bolded text. You can easily add link. This is where you add link. You can put a strike through. You can put keyboard inputs, subscript, superscript. You have all those things. You can do a lot of things with this. And this is the first column, which says a Nigerian blah blah blah. So this is a post you are trying to create, and you do have a lot of tools here. Just walk through it and you'll be able to do a lot of things. You can toggle blog inserter and see every other things you can add. You can add heading, you can add list, you can add quotes, you can add classic code. This is not a blogging tutorial or course, but we are going to just show you how to do all these things. You can insert image. So let me try and insert an image in one of these. So I'll insert image in between here, and all I need to click is to click this plus icon, and it's going to bring me to every other thing I can add. I can add an audio, I can add cover, I can add video, I can add buttons, columns. You can add a lot of things. Just go through this and see things you can add. And when it comes to blogging courses, you are going to have to do all this, but we are not having a blog course here. What we are doing here is we are trying to design a website. So we are going to click on image to insert image. You can easily, as you click on image, it brought this here. So that's where the image will stand. So you can easily upload image. It's either you insert from your media library or you insert from an external website, which I want to insert from my media library. So since I want to insert from my media library, I have no image here right now. So I'm going to upload, and I'm going to select file from my local storage for my computer, of course. And I have pictures. Let me go to pictures. I'll be able to add pictures from my pictures. Let me just scroll through and see a selfie I can easily add for this post. So we are trying to create our first content. So we are going to add, let me just add this image right here. So I'm going to add this image to my media library. So I have this image in my media library already. What I have to do is to select this. So we are going to select this right here, and we have that already. So this is an image, and this is the continuation of the post. You can easily add link, like I've said. You can add a lot of things. You can add a whole lot of things. We are going to do all that. So we are going to publish this post. So we are publishing our first post this way. But before you publish, come to the post and you see the visibility is public. The publish is immediately. You can schedule your post if you don't want to post it right now, but we are not doing that. We are going to post this immediately, and this is the URL. We are going to talk about this much later, and you can stick this post to the blog, to the top of the blog. And these are categories. We are going to talk about categories later. Just leave it at that for now. This block section is where you can insert feature images and all that. You can do a lot of settings, but let's publish our first post since our intention is to create our first content. So we're going to publish this immediately, and once we have this published, we're going to go to our website and refresh the page. So I have refreshed the page and see the post right here. See our first post right here. So you can easily click on it to look at the post, look through the post. And do you know why there is not an image at the front of that post? Because we do not have feature image. And see what we did. So this is what we've posted. So you are going to create something I like in an assignment I will give you later, but for now we've created our first post, and we're going to edit this so we can add feature images. So we're going to go back to our WordPress homepage. So we're going to come back to edit this post. So you can create a post and have it edited. As you know, this is the post menu. So you're just going to edit this. You just have to scroll on this. You have to hover on this, and you are going to either quick edit or edit. Quick edit is very quick as it suggests, but we're going to use the edit function. So you're going to check out the quick edit yourself. So this is the edit function. Now we're going to try and edit our post all over and over again. So you have to just go through this post session to know how to post content. I want to feature an image on the home page, so I'll just click on featured images and I'm going to set the image to feature. You know, we have an image in the media library already, so I'm going to click on that image we have in the media library already. I'm going to set as featured image, then I'm going to update whatever I've edited. So we've edited this post that way, and we're going to update. Once we update it, it's going to be updated, and we're going to go back to our website and go back to the home page and see what happens. Let's see the change that happens. Okay, so this is what's changed right now. So we have a featured image right here for the post. So that's the difference between like creating a post and editing it. And you can have a featured image and have image in between your posts. So those are the differences. So we'll go back to our dashboard.